So I got an interesting question from my previous video, which is about the sad truth about beautiful women. I'm gonna link it over here if you want to check it out. But the question says, pretty girls are a nightmare, they're too high maintenance and they're all stuck up, just too much hustle. Shouldn't we just lower our standards and date ugly girls instead? Okay, I completely see where you're coming from. Since beautiful women get attention and validation based on their appearance, there's really no incentive for them to improve their personality. So it's logical that you would correct the other way. Stop dating beautiful women and just date ugly women instead. They're nicer, right?
Nope.
If only it was that simple. Personality is not determined by appearance. Beautiful women might have shitty personality, but that doesn't mean ugly women are easier. They're not necessarily nicer, they aren't less high maintenance, and they're not going to feel grateful to you for dating them. These are false premises, and here's why. First, let's address the standards. You think you're doing her a favor by lowering your standards so that you can date her, and she's going to be grateful to you for doing that. But that's not how self-esteem works. If she has low self-esteem and she's feeling bad about herself, she's not going to be grateful or she's not going to admire you for dating her. What's likely to happen is that she'll have contempt for you. She's not thinking, oh, what a nice and noble and honorable man you are for dating me. No, she's thinking, what kind of a man likes me? I don't even like myself. You can't find anyone better so that you have to settle for me? What kind of a loser are you? This is the psychology behind low self-esteem. A healthy, functional relationship is very difficult and it can only happen between individuals with healthy self-esteem. Now you might be thinking, since I'm high quality and she's low quality, at the very least, she's going to be loyal to me because I satisfy her hypergamy.
No! Wrong.
As a man, you might be more attractive, objectively speaking, than she is as a woman. But you cannot make this comparison between the genders. Women are much more in demand. Even ugly women, they get way more attention than the average man. So even if she's not that attractive, I guarantee you she's still gonna have options. Especially in this culture. Women are bombarded with constant messages of entitlement and female empowerment. Just be yourself, you're amazing, you're a queen, you deserve the very best. Just because she's not attractive, that does not mean she doesn't have the mindset of somebody who thinks that just because she's a woman, she is entitled to the very best. You see it all the time on social media. Unattractive, toxic women who genuinely believe that she is entitled to a top-tier guy. I know that as men, it hurts our logical brain, but this is the reality that we live in. So again, you think you're doing her a favor for dating her, but you're not considering the modern female mindset. In her mind, she deserves the very best. So you might be the compromise. She has to settle for you. So the lesson here is that it doesn't matter if they're pretty or ugly. At the end of the day, they're still women. So you have to judge them on an individual basis. Personality is not determined by appearance, so any assumptions you make based on their appearance are still incomplete data. Alright, just a quick video. Hope that answered your question. If you have any other questions, drop it down below. Until next time, stay curious.